Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to copy your Instagram URL profile link. So let's start. First go on your Instagram app. After that go on your profile. Then tap on Edit Profile. And go to Username. And copy your username. After that go on Chrome and type instagram.com/ and paste your username and go enter. Now tap again on search and click on this to copy link. Now we will see it's that link true. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.